Hi, in this short video, I'm gonna show you how to make delicious low-carb keto granola bars. These keto granola bars are easy to make, they don't require cooking, and they are really healthy. It's a great source of fat, protein, fiber, various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. What you will need is some almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, desiccated coconut, erythritol, vanilla extract, peanut or almond butter, organic coconut oil, and dark chocolate. First, cut half a cup of almonds and add it to the mixing bowl. Then cut half a cup of walnuts. Add 1/3 of a cup of sunflower seeds, 1/3 of a cup of chia seeds, 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/3 of a cup of desiccated coconut, 5 tablespoons of erythritol. I used Natvia, it's organic stevia and erythritol mix. Alternatively, you can use 30 drops of organic liquid stevia. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then add 3 tablespoons of peanut or almond butter, and I used peanut butter. You can start mixing. Add 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. Mix everything together until well combined. Prepare a medium-sized tray lined with parchment paper. Add the granola bar mixture to the tray. Spread it equally. Press it down and flatten the surface. Then melt around 54 grams of 85% cacao chocolate together with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And I melted it on the lowest heat using a stainless steel measure cup. I don't use a microwave. After finished, let it cool for a few minutes. Once the chocolate cooled down, cover the keto granola bar surface with melted chocolate. Sprinkle the chopped almonds. Transfer your keto granola bar to the freezer and let cool for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, cut it into 8 keto granola bars. Then after, transfer keto granola bars to the fridge and consume within 1 week. If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.